In this video, we demonstrate how to install a power supply and a key lock into a chassis. This particular customer ordered the EJ-4U444-C and requested that we install a 500 watt power supply, the DP-50X C617. And he also requested that we switch the key lock to a thumb twist lock. Here are the steps to complete the installation. There are 2 thumb screws at the top. Unscrew these. And pull off the top panel. Now there's a crossbar in the middle. You just simply pop it open and take it out. Now grab your power supply, open the box, pull your power supply from its packaging, and you want to place it inside the chassis with the label towards the top. Now it will take 4 screws. Place the 4 screws into place, and once they're into place you can safely tighten them all. Now take the crossbar, slide it back into place, and pop it in. Now turn the chassis with the front panel towards you. Take the key and pop open the front panel. Now take your screwdriver and remove the screw that's holding the key lock in place. Now take your pliers and untighten the hexagonal washer. Twist it off, and we can remove the key lock that is in place. Now we're ready to replace it with the thumb twist lock. We remove it from the bag. Now we actually have to replace the tab that's on the thumb screw lock with the original tab from the key lock. It's just 1 screw that's at the top holding it in place. Now we actually place it on the panel. We slide the original tab into place and screw it on. Now place the first washer into place. Tighten on the hex washer. Once you tighten with your pliers, we're done. We are now able to lock it with our thumbs. Now flip the chassis so that the back panel is facing towards you. Take the top panel, slide it into place. Take your 2 thumb screws and tighten them on.